What's up, guys? Hope y'all are doing well. I'm going to go over 3 trades that we took today in TSS that were called out to our team live. The first one that I'm going to go over is AMD. I called this one out to the team before market open. Reject of 100 to prior day close, 101, 102 area, and if not, break and retest to the upside. We got a really nice move off of the 100 area right before market open. We even kind of came up and tapped it right before market open, but then when we broke to the upside, you start to see these really high volume candles hit here and not breaking above. I entered here on this one. Is a little bit early, maybe a little bit risky, but looking at the 5-minute, you can see that we've got this close below 101. I really liked that. I was looking for, if we were going to get stopped out, I was looking for it to close above here, above this 101.5, and ultimately it dropped down. We got our first trims here at VWAP and the EMAs, and then ultimately got out here, went from 1.94 on the contract, was in the 101s. It went all the way to 2.8 for over a 40% increase on the contracts. Meta was the next one that we took today as a team. This one I actually did not personally get. Steven was able to get this one. I just did not get my fill and I didn't want to chase it. But we had this really nice big impulsive move to the upside from low a day to high a day here. You can look at the 61.8% retracements or the 50% retracements. You can see that we've got our 21 EMA and our 8 EMA here. And if we go on a smaller time frame, I'm going to go to the 2-minute here. This is what we were watching. Well, one, it's got falling volume to the downside, which is really nice. We've got a big impulsive move, and then you can see this very steady decline in volume with bullish candles. Let me go back to the 2-minute here. When we get to the 2-minute, you can see that when we hit our 61.8% retracement, aggressive buyers jump in here on high volume, ending with this really nice 2-minute bullish hammer. We got in here at 2.6 on the contract. They ran all the way to, what was it? It was up 3.6, so over $100 a contract. Very, very nice move, over a 40% move. And then the last one that we did was SPY. I didn't get in on the options on this one. I got on the futures here when we were respecting this trend line. But if you are looking at the 5-minute here, you can use fibs for this too, though I don't know that it's as applicable given how sideways it is. It's not exactly trending. But we are continuing to respect the fibs here. We're continuing to respect this intraday trend line and VWAP and our 21 EMAs. Got in long here, was able to hold through this chop and hold it all the way to the pre-market high. On options, I almost entered here with a really nice bullish hammer. You can see that when we hit this on high volume, it's another high volume reversal bar. It's the 4th time that we've rejected this area, but every time that we've rejected the area, we're getting higher and higher lows. And every time we're rejecting this area, you're also seeing less and less selling volume every time we come down. And that's what you're seeing right here. A very steady decline in selling volume. Would have loved to take my entries here, but what we actually ended up doing was Craig, another one of our coaches here, got in here at the breakout, high volume breakout above our opening range here. That's what this line is. Was able to hold this all the way to the pre-market highs. Got in on the 444 calls at 56, and they ran up to 90 for a 60% increase on the contracts. Hope that you guys had a good one. That's the 3 that we did today, and it was a great day for us despite horrible price action on SPY and a lot of other tickers. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.